Hello, I am Sebastian Panikel. Right now, 75 years old, but still young enough to teach and learn. I am a lifelong learner. I started teaching my classmates while I was in 8th standard. Since my parents were teachers, I loved teaching and I have always loved it. I continue loving it. I love teaching. I love my students as well. I have empathy for students. I can reach them at their level, whatever the age or stage. I am confident of being able to teach people of different ages. My students, I have taught from 6-year-olds through 60-year-old people. Some of them lecturers and teachers, some of them school students. And in online teaching, I'm quite experienced. For the last 20 years, I've been teaching online. During COVID, I dedicated more of my time teaching, and my experience is in Vedic mathematics, GeoGebra, then communicative English, speaking English to a level that the other party can understand and deliver my meaning effectively to people who are my learners. I handhold my students to learn and even work from home with the skill they have, in which they will be teaching their own peers. സമപ്രായക്കാരായ കുട്ടികളെ പരസ്പരം പഠിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വിഷയങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ടീച്ച് വൺ രീതിയിലാണ് ഞാൻ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് തന്നെ. ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഞാൻ ട്യൂഷൻ എടുക്കുന്നതോടൊപ്പം നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂട്ടുകാരെ നിങ്ങൾ പഠിപ്പിച്ച് അതിൻ്റെ റിപ്പോർട്ടോട് നിങ്ങൾ തരും എന്നുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം വളരെ ഇഫക്റ്റീവായിരിക്കും. എനിവേ, I hope that you will try me. Thank you. I'll see you.